In the realm of rugged off-road prowess and uncompromising luxury, the 2025 Land Rover Defender Octa emerges as a formidable contender, redefining expectations with its powerhouse performance and cutting-edge technology. Recently unveiled to much acclaim, this variant of the iconic Defender exemplifies Land Rover's commitment to blending tradition with innovation, delivering an exhilarating driving experience both on and off the beaten path. At the heart of the Defender Octa lies a robust 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, tuned to unleash an impressive 626 horsepower. Paired with a responsive 8-speed automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive system, this formidable powertrain propels the Defender Octa from 0 to 60 miles per hour in blistering speed, making it not just a capable off-roader but also a thrilling performer on paved roads. The exterior design of the Defender Octa strikes a balance between ruggedness and modern sophistication. Its muscular stance, enhanced by aggressive styling cues and bespoke detailing, commands attention with every angle. The distinctive grille, flanked by LED headlights that pierce through darkness, underscores its bold presence on any terrain, while aerodynamic enhancements improve both performance and efficiency. Step inside the cabin, and the Defender Octa welcomes occupants into a world of luxury and advanced technology. Premium materials, including fine leather upholstery and authentic wood trim, create an ambience of refined comfort. The cockpit is meticulously designed with intuitive controls and a state-of-the-art infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity and entertainment options for every journey. True to its heritage as a capable off-roader, the Defender Octa is equipped with a suite of terrain response systems, ensuring optimal performance across various landscapes. Whether navigating through rocky terrain or traversing muddy trails, its adaptive suspension and electronic differential lock deliver confidence-inspiring handling and traction, allowing drivers to explore new horizons with ease. Beyond its formidable performance and off-road capabilities, the Defender Octa also prioritizes safety and driver assistance features. Advanced driver aids, such as adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, work in tandem with a comprehensive array of airbags and structural reinforcements to provide peace of mind on every adventure. As a limited production variant, the 2025 Land Rover Defender Octa represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and luxury. Each unit is meticulously crafted to exceed expectations, catering to enthusiasts who demand uncompromising performance and exclusivity. Its arrival signals a new chapter in the Defender's storied legacy, blending heritage with cutting-edge technology to set new benchmarks in the competitive landscape of luxury SUVs. In conclusion, the 2025 Land Rover Defender Octa stands as a testament to Land Rover's commitment to innovation and adventure. With its potent twin-turbo V8 engine, refined interior, and unparalleled off-road prowess, it continues to uphold the legacy of the Defender while pushing boundaries to deliver an unmatched driving experience for those who seek power, luxury, and capability in equal measure.